Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Smithy in the Black Quantity VTF here at T3 Live, and here with this week's market wrap up. And we got a whole bunch of nothing. So, SPY, if you look at the SPY, when you get to like the mid-month, you want to start looking at is anything going on as far as the monthly is concerned. So, for this month, you can see it's doing almost nothing up in the sky here, and we didn't quite get the inside week here, but we didn't fall apart either. Spike up, spike down, and right back in the middle, doji hammer. And so if you look at like QQQ has been much stronger. However, it does stay inside week, and so that which makes it stronger. So the Dow Jones Diamonds. So we'll be looking to fade the Dow Jones. Now you've got your equilibrium. Now we can start looking at stuff like that. But when you have a divergent market like this, we just go straight to the sectors. And so you can see this week, the home builders were strong. You had XLV being strong here to a certain extent. IBB goes inside weak, and that'll have something to say about what goes on here in the Qs. With semiconductors, that's much we know tech. That was inside week and up, so that was strong there. And of course, like I said last week, if you wanted to short stuff, instead of trying to top tick the market, just go after where things are weak. And oils, and here's oil itself, puke, and that really helped that XLE and that XOP and that OIH. Remember we talked about the momentum shooters last weekend. There you go. There's that momentum shooting star into the lows for OIH. Also had the REITs really weak here too. You had XME, Commods, softening up, and XRT retail still falling and can't get up. However, the broader averages do hold up so far with all that, but that's what these inside weeks are going to be important to watch. If we go to the banks, XLF going inside week, and that's going to be something we really want to watch how these financials act, because you've got Goldman Sachs as an inside week, you've got JP Morgan inside week, Citicorp not, Bank of America is. So all those banks certainly want to keep an eye on that, and Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan as far as the Dow's concerned. Techland, you've got Apple going as an inside week near the highs, Netflix going inside week. So all these equilibriums going to give us a good idea of what's going to happen next week. If we go into the Dow Jones, you've got Coke, you've got Disney. Like I said, you got Apple, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs all going inside. You got Home Depot for retail, obviously leading the charge in the retail there, much better than most. McDonald's going inside week, and then who could forget old buddy Tesla going inside week as it continues to back off a bit, and Wynn Resorts, just to name a few. So, like I said, we've the divergent market, and so you'll see some of that. We saw the small cappers a little bit weaker here than the rest, dropping off like that, and we talked about that shooting star countering the outside week last week. Not the end of the world, but a little bit weaker there. But going forward, to see how this market goes, certainly going to watch how the inside week breaks in the Qs, which is stronger, closer to the upside. And certainly the Dow Jones, because the Dow Jones is going to have those banks. It's going to have all those defensive names that I mentioned. And so that can give us a pretty good idea as if we're going to finally get some sort of more macro move than all these certain places to go. So per usual, I do the weekend video where I break down all the markets more thoroughly into sectors, and I've been doing that for 5 years. So this week will be the last time that I post it on my YouTube, and then you're going to have to come and down to T3 Live and see us over here. I get paid during the week, and T3's like, might as well get paid on the weekends too. I think I've done 5 years of my service to try and help as many people as possible. And so at this point, if you want to get the weekend video coming next week, you can email customer service at t3live.com, or you could call 1-888-998-3548. That's 888-998-3548. We should love to get that information to you, because I know a lot of people enjoy it, and it's a lot of hard work. So that's going to do it for this week. But for this weekend, you can see it at Robin the Black on Twitter, or Smith in the Black YouTube, all one word, and get that weekend video, and we'll get some more inside stuff for you and see what's breaking it down. Hope everybody has a great week and an even better weekend. Let's go Northwestern Wildcats in the basketball tournaments. All right, I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here at T3 Live.